Hi guys, welcome to a new video today, and today it was supposed to be an unboxing of my new laser engraver, the Holbein D5 mini engraver, but this was a brand new machine, and when I got in today, this is what awaited me. No Amazon box, just this exactly how I found it. I have opened this but I put it back. This is what it was supposed to look like, and you can see there's been packing tape there, and that box has been sliced. I mean, that was still there and there. So opened it up thinking, oh, I may have just got a second hand unit, you know, not great but not the end of the world. This was there. Open this up and then you can see there, I'm not going to take the whole thing out, but right there is where the laser should have been. And you get the safety goggles, looking there, so that's where the slit is, so someone's able to get their hand up and manually just there, because in it was literally just this, an empty pack. Some person has just went through this and grabbed that. Why not just steal the whole fucking box? Utterly shambolic. So this is what it was supposed to look like. It was apparently a third party seller, so, but yeah, I mean, do delivery drivers not have any fucking common sense? I mean, that's a big bloody indication right there that something's not right. Where's the bloody Amazon box? It's all it's got is Amazon warehouse up here, and I mean, that's just diabolical. I mean, I'm not a delivery driver, but I know it can be the most exciting of jobs, and good on you guys who do it, because you're an essential service. But surely looking at that box, anyone can agree that, or everyone should agree that there's something wrong. Majorly wrong. You know, it looks like someone's just unless it was the delivery driver himself. That's the thing. You don't know, but I would hope not. I mean, to steal a £169 laser is not worth losing your job over. So I probably, but it has to be someone, or the company himself. I don't know. It's a third party thing, but just with it being there, because I was going to laser my wooden project that I literally just made yesterday. So yeah, I don't know. This is the thing. I can ramble on for a wee bit longer. I've shown you guys the contents, and that's all I can say. I've got a laptop coming tomorrow, so hopefully that comes. If not, that's just gonna be another fun thing to rant about. Anyway, if you like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which hopefully should be a lot happier. I mean, the laptop itself is nothing to you know, it's not, it's pretty much because I bought the laptop because the only other computer I have is this, and I don't want to be really laser engraving in the computer room, in case I set the room on fire and there's not really great ventilation. So I thought I'll get the laptop so I can also use it for the piano and, you know, learning songs and stuff like that, and I could also use it on the laser itself, but obviously not today. And today was going to be, I was going to try the laser in the bedroom, but some guy or girl has stopped that. But it is what it is. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if Amazon or a third party in Amazon screwed you over, or a different company even. Let me know. Cheers. Bye bye.